COVID cases rises in Hills district. Containment zones declared at several places. Good morning and a very warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're watching this morning news with your host Julie Baby. Now let us look into the news in details. COVID cases are now rising in the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong as many places have been declared as containment zones by the district administration. Following this, people of the Hill districts must now remain on high alert and must strictly observe the COVID protocols. The rise of COVID cases in both the Hill districts of Karbi Anglong is evident with the declaration of containment zone and micro-containment zone in different places across the districts. At least 8 areas have been declared as containment zone in Karbi Anglong, while another 429 places have been declared as micro-containment zone. Meanwhile, 62 places have been declared as containment zone in West Karbi Anglong district. According to the Health Department, COVID positive cases has reached 772 in West Karbi Anglong district, out of which 557 have recovered and have been released. However, no COVID cases have been reported at Hamran headquarters.
West Karbi Anglong stami rat atum nonateng sarkar atum pen aron kipia teng pen aso ka fuludun mate ka chingri dun lake mepik alam lo lasi thekpolo lo dak joint director health and service along pen dak pini nili record long pon lo nasi total positive cases la COVID-19 a positive case ke long pon lake ha ke cheng pen panisi tarikre pho aru achiklo an bang phoru troxira troxikep raini aphai long pon lo la pen ha ki cheng pen panisi tarikre pho aru achiklo an bang phoru phora tronekep troxi aphai kisu pe me pon lo la pen non make kithi avela la pen non la kiso that atuma phana bangke long nia dim si se lang pon bom lo tum preng COVID care center long la pen so si khiruni COVID care center long si alang tu mafan kisu lang pon bom lo na sinon ala rata fan ka chuning ri ja bangke nonateng cooperation mate kachirab dun sarkar long kachirab dun law and order administration atum long stame kachirab dun akithinai lake elitum hong nang ke barhut mask kaching thang lapen hand sanitizer mane kam ka pedupon lapen ason thang akama bipin pen hem pen ke bar bedet pen hem ke do clip ya phan sarkar pen kapang ke thana teng la so teng kroi dunang po lapen so thaksi la suki kroi pen jok nangli methang apran ka chepi yok so thaksi nangli hem isi nangli ka ching hon achor nangli ka ching hon asomar do an phan sami pa pe jok long po na sinon elitum ladak record puthot long pon thulo West Karbi Anglong ang kang pen kedam tarikre pho pen tarikre pho jangmi po achiklo pen non aru achiklo tarikre fli an lake 45.22% la coverage mate la dawai kipi co-vaccine la pen covisil lai ki prim kipi pen cover ponong lo na si non tarik non la age group mate arta ke thak pondo la arta ningkan cleaner cap pen ningkan thong cap la pen ningkan thong cap pen ningkan flikera pho pen ningkan thok cap la pen ningkan thok cap abat atuma phan non long inkora hini a center bi ponlo hala dak long ka do ka vita kedam pen na so biji ka chipi dam pen keso ka chilang pen kapimi ji apan na ke iritum kerap nang po.
Likewise, 62 micro-containment zone or home isolation was declared in Pelangpi or Khironi, while 1 containment zone was declared in Tumpreng falling under the Bitungreng Thama constituency. West Karbi Anglong Joint Director Dr. Mukul Shyam told Karbi Anglong Live that 52 persons who have been tested positive for COVID are currently undergoing treatment.
Our West Karbi Anglong positive case is 249.
249.
Tare 67 discharge hoise 67 ডিচাৰ্জ আৰু ট্ৰিটমেণ্টত আছে 1 patient undergoing treatment 142 আৰু number of patient migrated তাৰমানে বাহিৰৰ হেৰি 7 number of patient migrated in মানে বাহিৰত টেষ্ট কৰাইছে পজিটিভ হৈছে আমাৰ ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ মানুহ migrated in 7 আৰু migrated out বাহিৰৰ মানে আমাৰ ইয়াতে পজিটিভ ওলাইছে 40 আৰু আমাৰ পজিটিভিটি ৰেট হ'ল ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ 1.1 যোৱাকালি এইটো কিন্তু চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত কোভিড কেয়াৰ চেণ্টাৰ দুটা আছে হস্পিটেল নাই কিন্তু কোভিড কেয়াৰ হস্পিটেল কোভিড কেয়াৰ চেণ্টাৰ বুলি কয় এটা টুমপ্ৰেং আৰু এটা হ'ল খেৰণি দুইখনতে আমাৰ বেড আছে 102 বেড আছে
Meanwhile, in Karbi Anglong district, there are over 129 micro-containment zones and 8 containment zones. Of the 8 containment zones, 3 are under Bokajan subdivisions, 1 in Bokajan town, and 1 each in Khatkati and Lahorijan respectively. Accordingly, total lockdown has been imposed in Bokajan for 7 days, while Khatkati and Lahorijan are on lockdown for 15 days. As per the District Disaster Management Authority, there is presently no containment zone in Dipu. Daniel Inghi from Hamran, Anantarang from Bokajan, and NewsX report with Rosanan Say for Karbi Anglong Live. In a news coming in from Bokajan, News Live reporter Rubul Dihingya has passed away due to COVID-19 on Monday afternoon. Following his death, the Bokajan Press Club paid their respect and have expressed their deep condolence to the family members of the scribe. The News Live reporter for Bokajan has been tested positive for COVID-19 prior to declaration of the MLA election and has been kept in home isolation. He was later taken to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for further treatment, after which he was again referred to Guwahati Medical College and Hospital after his condition deteriorated. He was stated to have been on oxygen for the past 15 days at the hospital but lost the battle to COVID on Monday at around 12:45 p.m. On receiving news of his demise, the Bokajan Press Club held an emergency meeting in the afternoon led by its president, Ranjit Bora. During the meeting, Bokajan Press Club members paid their respect to the scribe with minute of silence, and the flag was lowered to half-mast as a mark of respect to member of the media fraternity.
Bokajanor News Live-or সাংবাদিক তথা social worker Rubul Dihingyaৰ আকস্মিক বিয়োগত আমি মৰ্মাহত হৈছোঁ আৰু সুখণ্ডত্ব পৰিয়ালবৰ্গলৈ সমবেদনা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। তেওঁ অকল ছ'চিয়েল ৱৰ্কাৰ বা সাংবাদিকেই নাছিল, আমাৰ অতি ঘনিষ্ঠ বন্ধু হিচাপে তেওঁক হেৰুৱাই আজি মনত কষ্ট পাইছোঁ আৰু তেওঁৰ যি অৱদান বোকাজানবাসী ৰাইজলৈ সদায় বোকাজানবাসী ৰাইজে সোঁৱৰিব। আজি এই যি ক'ভিডৰ বিৰুদ্ধে তেওঁ বহুদিন যুঁজি অৱশেষত হাৰ মানিবলগীয়া হ'ল আৰু আজি তেওঁৰ পৰলোক প্ৰাপ্তি ঘটিল। তেওঁৰ আত্মাই সদ্গতি পাওক।
Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. In a sad news that has come from our Biswanath correspondent, one Karbi lady named Kavi Ingtipi had succumbed to COVID-19. She was the wife of Suran Rongpi of number 2 Borjarani. COVID is taking more lives every day, leaving people heartbroken and shattered. Those who died are even not getting proper respect and rituals due to several COVID protocols involved in the cremation. Many Karbis lost their lives in the first wave of the pandemic, and the second wave as well is increasing its toll on the tribe. Suran Rongpi's wife Kavi Ingtipi also lost her battle to the virus, leaving behind her family and friends. It may be mentioned that when the second wave of the pandemic is spreading in Assam, several people from the rural areas are still of the belief that they are safe and still continue to disregard the COVID protocol. But with the deaths now emerging from interior areas, people must stop floating the preventive guidelines and stay at home to protect themselves and their family, as it will put more burden on health facilities and infrastructures which are currently under great pressure. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Viswanath, Karbi Anglong Live. One person was found dead in a rest house in his Jumfield. The person was identified as resident of Jirilaskor or Rongmicho near Jirikindeng. Here is more from our correspondent. The deceased man was identified as Suvi Sotong, a local farmer. Villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that Suvi Sotong was a very hard-working man and was always busy in farming works. On Sunday, Suvi left home at around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, saying that he was going to the farm. However, seeing that Suvi did not return home on regular time, in the evening, his younger son went to the farm to see. To his shock, the young boy found his father in an unconscious condition. He hurried home and informed his mother and brother villagers and also the local police. Meanwhile, Jirikindeng police station officer in charge, Longki Teron, and his men reached the spot and did preliminary investigation on the matter.
2 बजे मान এনেকা মরিছে একটু বরখন গিরিছে একটু একটু ধান আমি একজন তো মোর ভাই তো ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাইছে ইয়াতে যাব বলে একটু কোনে দাৰে মোক কেনে কৈ দিছে দাদা মোর বাবা তো মৰিছে বলে এনেকা উঠিছে একটু মানুহ তো দেখা পোৱা নাই আৰু কি কৈছে একটু তো এনেকা দাদা বল জলদি মোর ভন্টি ভাইটি মাটি কৰি আছে যে
Samsung Intis report from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.